So in this video I'm going to fix Wi-Fi option is missing in Windows 10 settings. So let's try to fix it. First of all, just go to the search box and search services. Now click on services to open it. Once it gets open, search for WLAN auto config service. Okay, WLAN auto config service. You have to search it. Now right click and click on properties, and now make sure it is started. If it is not started, click on start to start it and choose startup type as automatic from the drop down. Click on apply, click on OK. Now try again and see if this issue is fixed or not. Let's move to the next method. Search device manager. Now once the device manager opens up, just expand network adapters and now find your Wi-Fi adapter. For example, this is the Wi-Fi adapter in my case. So just right click and click on update driver. Now click on browse my computer for driver software. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Okay. Now hit next. Now this message will appear, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Let's move to the next method. If it still don't work, what you need to do is to just go to the device manager again. Now expand network adapters and now right click and choose uninstall device for your Wi-Fi adapter. What you need to do is to just go again to the device manager, go to the network adapter, expand it. Now right click and click on properties. Now click on power management tab. Now just uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and then click on OK, and your issue will get resolved. If it's still not, then move to the next method. Just search system configuration in the search box. Now click on services tab. Okay, now make sure all the services are selected. Okay, to select all at once, just click here, enable all. Now click on OK and close this window, and then restart your computer and it works. So thanks guys for watching. I hope your issue gets resolved, and if it helps, please do like the video to support us and subscribe to the video.